Good morning, dear students. Welcome back. Today we are going to start our lesson number 4 of English Literature Reader, and the name of lesson is Storm. So students, see lesson number 4, Storm. Warm up. Have you ever witnessed a storm? What happens when a storm blows? So students, what do you mean by storm? Have you ever witnessed a storm? So to answer these questions, you should know what is a storm. So as you can see, this is a picture of a storm. Suddenly, by seeing this, we can say, yes, we have seen it. It is a powerful wind which moves forcefully. So to know more about it, let's start our lesson. So students, see the first line. They are at it again. The wind and the rain. They refers to the wind and the rain. The speaker is saying that they are again now. Who? The wind and the rain. It all started means it started again. The wind and the rain. Now it is a time for storm to come. So it is all started when the wind took the window by the collar and shook it with all its might. Now it is a time of wind. Now when the wind took the window, now wind is playing with the window. As you know that when wind blows, it waves in its own power. Even it is not powerful, but it shows its power as much as it can. They are not powerful in their own, but they play with each and everything. In these lines, the wind is playing with the window and it shook it by the collar. Means it shook it with all its might. With all its might. It shows its all power to window. As much as it can, it shows all the power, and wind is playing with the window. Even they are not powerful at all, but they give their best to show their power to each and everything that exists. So now see the next line. Then the rain butted in. Butted means hit with. What a din! Din means a loud, unpleasant and prolonged noise. Now it is a turn of rain. As you know, rain is the main way that the water in the skies comes down to earth. So here rain butted in means it comes inside from window or door or from anywhere, from wherever they can enter. Now it shows its power. Now it is a turn of rain to show its power. Now rain is showing its power as much as it can. And what a din. Din means a noise, a loud noise. So it makes a loud noise that the rain makes. They'll be at it all night. Means the wind and the rain is going to last for the whole night. Now the wind and rain will show their power to each and everything for the whole night. Serves them right. And this serves them right if they go home in the morning and the sky won't let them in. Now if they go home in the morning, who? The wind and the rain. When they go home again in the morning and the sky won't let them in, means the sky won't allow them to get in. Again, after lasting for the whole night, when the wind and the rain again go to their home, home refers to the sky. When again they go home in the morning and the sky won't allow them to get in. Why? Because the wind and the rain shows their power to each and everything for the whole night, and it serves them right. means it serves them right. The narrator is telling that they deserve to be treated like that, because the wind and rain is simply showing its power to each and everything. And again, when they are going home in the morning, so sky won't allow them to get in. So the narrator is telling that it serves them right, they deserve to be treated like that. So in this poem is about the wind and the rain. The wind is playing with the window and it shows its all power to window and each and everything. Similarly, the rain also shows its power to each and everything. And again, after lasting for whole night, again when they go home in the morning, sky won't allow them to get in. Why? Because they deserve to be treated like that, as they shows their power to each and everything. So hope you understood this poem.